becoming slime, but not that much. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the spatula and just start peeling with my fingers. And as you can see, it's working very well. I heard that and it's on my video. I'm so sorry, y'all, that y'all had to do that. And then it might feel a little bit squid-like. And if you haven't watched, if you haven't ever felt squid, you would just know the texture just like that. Get the rest of the liquid like that, like this slime. Like just grab little bits of the slime, like the wet slime, and then knead it with your slime that's becoming dry. You know what I'd like? If you could put everything in slime and then it will come out. And just like take all the slime off of you. I stayed up to like 3:05 or 5:03. The longest I ever stayed up was one day. And then look, non-sticky. Look, you can even hold it. And then look, pull it off, nothing. And then I'm just gonna like get the rest of the activator. At night. And then it will feel slippery like this, and it will look horrible. But it's okay, all you have to do is just knead. And I know y'all have been dying to hear this. Wait.
Like that versus I'm an ugly and
For real?
yeah. And then on Princesses it says Princess.
Oh, Angel snapped up.
And then here you go.
Alright, isn't him and matching in a date?
Most likely.
Oh! Okay, Angel wants me to do one thing, so.
Do a what?
And please stay tuned because I will be making slime at 3 a.m.
The best friend thing? Yeah, best friend thing.
Yeah, he said, hey, where am I?
Oh, you have Angel on second? I don't know Angel with that popular, but okay. He up to date. Look, my name's green.
I'm not gonna do a heart, I'm gonna do like a peace sign.
Look at this. Look at this crunchy slime. Look.
Oh.
Mine is more crunchy. Look, do you hear this? Look. Do you see how many crunchy this? Look how many it has.
And here's my blue slime.
I'm probably gonna mix it.
And well, before I'm like taking this home, I'm just gonna add a little bit to it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my thumb and then just bam.
Oh gosh.
Put some more from the lid and then bam.
You prank call, never put your location on.
Location, obviously.
Oh.
Look Whose son is? Oh, that looks like a liquid. Like, doesn't it look like liquid? I was like, this is what I did. Like, literally, I went like this. I said, oh, whose is this? I made that one. Oh, really? This game's really nice.
In this one.
Oh, okay. I think I'll catch up. You like it?
Down, and then
I mean, she's okay.
Sounds like when she was over here with me and Jackie. Oh, okay. What?
She said she don't like me.
No, it wasn't about you.
But she says she loves me. Okay.
No, it's not
Oh my
about
gosh,
you.
whenever Layla and Michaela came over to my house, we played Truth or Dare, and literally that game was so freaky.
What?
But I was trying to win, so I did it. It was
What?
like, take off your shirt, take off your pants. So I did it. I was trying to win. The Layla one.
What else you take off?
She took off everything. Like you could only see her underwear and bra. Yeah. But how do you win? They give you points if you. It's like a forfeit or correct. And like if you push forfeit, you don't get a point. If you push correct.
but if you put truth, then you don't get a point at all.
Yeah, if you push truth, you can. But everyone put dare the whole time. Cause I'm a daredevil. And I think it was gonna be that bad. And it was like, kiss this person, kiss a boy, kiss this person, blah blah blah.
What?
And I kissed her every time. Like, not finna kiss no one else.
Like, where?
Like, lips, cheek, forehead, wherever.
You would kiss her.
I would kiss her.
God,
And then Michaela had to kiss someone and she kissed me.
Your
Oh my
forehead? Go.
And I was like,
Did anyone kiss lips?
no.
I was about to say.
Definitely it's Leo.
Sorry, y'all.
Good one.
Just so relaxing. Well,
We're siblings.
peace.